Hi, good evening, everyone. So let us try to go ahead and take some more questions from linear algebra today. Okay. This is IIT JAM 2024 question. I don't want you to give me the options first, but I want you to find the value of beta first. Take some time, try to find the value of beta and write it in the answer comment section. Okay. Just try it, give it a try. Next Monday, that means coming Monday, I will take some questions from macroeconomics. It is a good idea if you can start revising macroeconomics over the weekend, huh? There are some more important topics of IIT also. Jaise, one is, I don't know what is happening to video. One is linear programming. Usme se definitely there will be a question. We have done some questions on limit and continuity, two variables, but I want to do some more on that. And there are some questions on difference and differential equation that can be asked in exam. So these are the only important topics. So what we will go ahead and we will do is that post, we have these marathons on micro and macro because we should be changing the subject also. Otherwise, I won't be able to take all subjects by the end of Jan. Then towards the end, probably I'll go ahead and take some questions back on maths. Okay, beta is 1. Okay, what about others? How about others? Let's try to see this question. So you have been given a matrix M, and that matrix M is alpha minus 6 minus 1 and 1. And since this is a 2 cross 2 matrix, the maximum eigenvalues that you can have will be 2, right? Now in this question, it goes ahead and it tells you that there are two eigenvalues, distinct eigenvalues, beta and 4. Okay. So since 4 is an eigenvalue, what we can do is we can have m into x equal to lambda into x hota hai. So we will have m into x equal to 4 into x. M is this, alpha minus 6 minus 1 and 1. X is this, x1 and x2 equal to 4 times x1 and x2. Beta two equation, two variables se solve karo. So you will get alpha x1 minus 6x2 equal to 4x1. And you'll get minus x1 plus x2 equal to 4x2. Right? Solve the second equation. So what will you get? You will get minus x1 equal to 3x2. So x1 will be minus 3x2. Put this in the first equation. What will you get? Alpha minus 3x2 minus 6x2 equal to 4 minus 3x2. So you will get minus 3 alpha x2 minus 6x2 equal to minus 12x2. Okay, I'm taking minus 3x2 common. Alpha plus 2 equal to minus 12x2. 4. Alpha plus 2 equal to 4. That means alpha will be 2. Alpha will be 2. So first thing is, if in this question they would have asked what is alpha. तो एक चीज हमें clear हो गई है that in this question alpha is 2. If alpha is 2, what will be my matrix? My matrix will be 2, minus 6, minus 1, 1. Now, we know one property of the eigenvalues is that when we find the determinant of the matrix, it should be equal to the product of the eigenvalues. So if there are two eigenvalues and it's a 2 cross 2 matrix, so determinant will be lambda 1 into lambda 2. What is the determinant of this matrix? It will be 2 minus minus 1 into minus 6. One of the eigenvalue is given as beta, another is given as 4. Yeah. One is given as beta, another is given as 4. So what will you have from here? You will have 2 plus 6 equal to, 2 minus 6 equal to 4 beta. So minus 4 equal to 4 beta. It means you will get beta as 1. Simple. That's it. So your beta will be minus 1. Do slow but do right. Just try to see, the question was so easy. We already know this property of eigenvalues, eigenvectors, that mx is equal to lambda x. We should know this property also, that determinant should be equal to the product of the eigenvalues. Just that if I know these two properties, then we don't need anything else. We will be able to solve this question. Okay. Now, let us try to go ahead and let us try to look at the first part. The first part is saying alpha plus beta is equal to 1. ठीक है, कर लेते हैं. So alpha plus beta will be 2 plus minus 1. That means it will be 1. So option number A is correct. ठीक है, option A is correct. Now find out the eigenvector corresponding to beta. It should be 2, 1. ठीक है, तो अब देख लेते हैं. What is the property of eigenvector? That A into X should give me lambda into X. I have already, this matrix I know. It is 2, minus 6, minus 1, 1. Okay. Let's find out the left hand side. A into X. X क्या है? 2, 1. Okay. Let's see what I will get the answer as. So I'll get the answer as 2 into 2, 4 minus 6, minus 2 plus 1. So I'll get the answer as minus 2, minus 1. This is AX, the left hand side. Now, if RHS also gives me the same answer, it means it is a valid eigenvalue. So RHS क्या दे रहा है? What is lambda? Lambda is beta, and beta का value आया है minus 1. So lambda is minus 1 and X is 2. So what will I get lambda into X? Minus 2 minus 1. This is lambda into X. So AX is also giving me minus 2 minus 1. Lambda into X is also giving me minus 2 minus 1. Then that means that LHS and RHS are giving me the same answer. It is valid for this X. जो X उन्होंने question में दिया है उसके लिए वो valid है. It's valid for that X. So we can go ahead and we can say that it is valid. Why transpose? Because they have given in the row form, na? They have given it like this. So when I will transpose this, I will get it like this. Right? That's it. Okay. Now look at the third part. The rank of M is 2. Very simple. Just find the determinant of this matrix. So what is the matrix? 2, minus 6, minus 1 and 1. So what is the determinant here? क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into 1 minus 1 into -6. So it will be 2 minus 6 minus 4, which is not equal to 0. So rank will be equal to order of the matrix, which will be equal to 2. Simple. So yes, the rank of the matrix is 2. That is the correct option. ये भी correct है, ये भी correct है. Now look at the last case. M square plus M is invertible. So any matrix, for it to be invertible, what do we require? कि उस matrix का जब हम determinant निकाले, it should be non-zero. Its determinant should be non-zero, right? So let's find out what will be M square. This is M. This is M. What will be M square? M into M. Right? So what will you get? 2 into 2, 4. Plus -6 into -1. Then what will you get? 2 into -6 plus -6 into 1. Then what will you get? -1 into 2 plus 1 into -1. -1 into -6 plus 1 into 1. So what will be the answer here? 4 plus 6. -12 minus 6. Please keep checking that I am doing correctly, huh? -2 minus 1, 6 plus 1. Keep looking at the signs. So this should be 10, -18, -3 and 7. This is M square. Now do M square plus M. What will you get? 10 minus 18 minus 3, 7 plus M. 2 minus 6 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 6 minus 1, 1. So we will get 12 minus 24 minus 4 and 8. Find the determinant of this matrix. 12 into 8 minus 24 into 4. You're getting 0, right? So that means that the determinant of this matrix is 0. So non-invertible. It's not invertible, right? So that is how you can go ahead and solve. Any doubt in this? Anything that is not clear? Anyone? Okay, good. Let's go to the next question. Try this one.